Hi guys, welcome back to Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my two children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything. So today we have Temu, which just came to Canada. So I mean, it's basically like an AliExpress, but cheaper. So we're gonna dive right in. Hi, buddy. We're gonna sit you in a seat. Okay. Okay. So first, which one do you want? That one? We got some kid sunglasses to keep them occupied, and they have lots of different varieties.
Oh no!
What do you think? Next, we have some of these. So they're basically like the viewfinders that we used to have as kids, but like updated versions. I mean, they were only a couple bucks. Let's see if we can figure out how to use them. So you just put the little disc in and then press the button. Just need to get batteries. So they're going to be pretty cool. The kids are going to like those. Next we have these little like dinosaur eggs, which I think he's really going to like. Okay, I can take one. And if I can figure out how to do it. Okay, so when you open it, they like transform into little. Hey, buddy, look it.
I did it. I won. Hey. I won that.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, it is cool, isn't it? Then we got dinosaur, mermaid, animal, and Sea World for these things that I already showed. So we got 4 different ones just to keep them a little bit occupied at different times of the day. Next, we have, you know, like the butterfly clips we had as kids? Well, now there's like mini little crowns.
I like it. I can't like the crown.
You have a little crown on. You see that?
Putting that on the crowns.
You want to play with the crowns? Be careful. What do we got? Is this something for Duncan?
Okay. Bye.
It's a little Buzz Lightyear keychain. He is obsessed with Buzz Lightyear.
Ooh, what? What? This one's doing the doors.
So, the first item for me is the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And I've tried like the green version of this one and I really liked it. I mean, wand is nothing special, but I mean, it's cheap and it works really, really well. So that's what I have going on for my first. Wow, is that Buzz Lightyear? Next, I have a dual-ended. One side a sponge, one's a little brush. So I thought I would try this. It's like $1. You want those in? Oh, in my hair? It's a little crown.
So cute.
It is so cool. So that's another item for me. Next is another item
So cool.
for Kimmy.
Mm-hmm, the Timmy and Duncan.
Kimmy and Duncan, yeah. Oh, you are so cool.
Well, that's it works. A monkey, the mochi. Look on the Duncan.
No, I mean, everything is relatively cheap from Temu. So, I mean, if it breaks or it doesn't work, I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. So,
No.
next.
Sorry.
You want to wear them? Wow.
Put them outside. Ow. Rainbow. So pretty. Apples. Apples.
So you're going to lift this baby, and then you're going to pull it out.
What? Come on. Soups. Outside, but no door. Rather. No. So short.
Okay. So next we have some more little clips for Kimmy. And these ones are little flowers.
Oh, look at that.
Do you like it?
I like it. I like it.
Yeah?
Do you do?
So what they are, I can't remember. I think there's only 10 or 12 in them. So it's little, tiny, like little
Tiny.
hearts. I can't remember how these ones go in.
And hearts. No, it's not.
Okay. So they have like a tiny, tiny little cross.
I so cool. So cool.
And
So
then
cool.
she's got little clips. So there's 1, 2, 3, about 10 of those. So I mean, I think they're only like $1 or $2. Like everything's pretty cheap. Next we have eyeshadow and eyeliner pencils. And this is a 2-pack. And we have 1 white and 1 black. Oh gosh.
What was the one that's? They were the one that likes.
I mean, they're pretty creamy. They aren't the darkest shades. So you're going to have to go over them multiple times. But I mean, you can't go wrong for the price. Next, I got like a little pop thing for putting on my powder. So again, really, really cheap. I got just a little comb for doing her hair. She has extremely curly hair, and I mean, it is difficult to deal with. So we got one of those for her.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Okay.
Do you want to try these ones?
Okay.
Wow, you're so cool.
I tried.
So next we have like a little tiny brush, and they say this is for foundation. It's super, super soft but dense. There's tons and tons of bristles in there. So I am going to try this one out. I mean, generally I'm not a huge fan of brushes for my foundation, but then at the same time when you use the sponge, it soaks up so much of the product and you waste a whole bunch. So I'm definitely going to try that. I got a couple things I think for foundation. Okay, so here is a little sponge, like a mushroom kind of sponge, to try this way so your hands don't get all yucky from holding one end. So we're gonna try that one too. Oh, that's okay.
Okay, so that it. Aw, so sorry.
It's okay, baby.
Okay. I'm sorry. Hold on the door. What you got?
Next, we have a keychain for my hubby.
I like it.
So I'm gonna give him to that later
I like
and
it.
see what he says.
I like it.
You like it? You want to hold it for Daddy?
Okay. Daddy? Daddy?
Thank goodness you can't read what it says.
Daddy, what's on the
All right. Next, we have an eyeshadow. I'm not sure. It's all in Chinese. So okay, it's one of the dual ones. So it's supposed to like. Let me just see. Okay, it's actually pretty. So I'm definitely wanting to try this. I've been seeing these ones for a while, and I was like, how's that gonna work? Because I mean, it's so thin. You want some on your hand? Turn your hand over.
So cool.
It is so cool, isn't it?
No.
Next, we have eyeliner and
Oh.
seal eyeliner.
Oh.
So this is a stamp one. I'm not sure if you can see. Just a regular stamp. And then on the other side you have the thing to fill in. You want to try it? Okay.
Again?
You want it on your hand? It tickles? So we got that. Next we have a liquid dual eyeliner. Hey, this looks exactly the same. It is exactly the same. Why did we get two? I don't know, but I have two now, so I mean, I'll give one away to someone. Maybe I ordered two bags. I don't know. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, we have applying the shadow. Couldn't be easier. Multi-chrome shadow. Metallic liquid
What's this?
eyeshadow. It is a piece. Just garbage, baby. It is in the trash. Okay. We'll put it in the trash after, okay? Okay. This looks really, really cool. I mean, the applicator. Oh, it smells awful. But I'll put it on anyways. I mean, it looks nice on. Oh, I just got my nose in it. It's like a blue/purple depending on the lighting. Really, really nice. Hopefully the smell goes away after it's on for a bit. So I'm gonna pay attention to that because I really want to try that one. Looks really neat. Next we have a lip contour kit. Ultra matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. Now these are always hard to tell the exact colors online. Oh, thanks, baby.
So this one
And I got 2 different shades, the number 2 and the number 4. They don't really look like they go at all, but I will give it a shot. Okay. Actually, a nice shade. Kind of like a berry kind of shade. Actually, they do go. So, I mean, actually, I really like those colors. They don't stink, so there's something. Wow.
Yeah.
And for our last item, this is the number 2 of that contour kit for lips. I mean, it looks very, very similar. Just off like one shade.
I like it. I like it. Good. Oops. Sorry.
That's okay, baby.
I fixed
Mommy will fix it after, okay?
this. Doing this.
Wow.
I tried.
That liner doesn't really go with that one, but I mean, you can see they almost look exactly the same, just like one shade different. But anyways, that's all we have for today for Temu.
I tried.
And I'm always going to keep on ordering stuff from there, try new things, and see what happens. Anyways, we'll see you later. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get our next video.
Bye.
Timmy, can you say bye?
Bye.